Y'all, for some reason my phone has cut out on me twice trying to record this. I made very pretty smash burgers, and there's really witty, brilliant commentary, and those are tater tots. I've pulled out the package twice to show you, but you didn't pay attention the last 2 times. I'm scraping the griddle, sorry. You didn't pay attention those first 2 times, possibly because my phone kept turning itself off. I'm disgusted, hungry, but smash burgers are great. Tater tots are great. Yeah. Sorry you missed all the brilliant, insightful commentary and the menu of cooking smash burgers, but maybe next time it will be working. And in the meantime, that's a wrap, y'all. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye.